but as long as man has been around, tattoos have actually been around. Now they have, like, they've constantly chopped and changed, you know, especially in the Western world. But like, if you look back at all the tribes, you're going to find tattoo. You keep going back through history, you'll always find there's tattoos.
Door me go my guardian angel. Ach, voor my Indian version has me crafted the guardian angel like. Son voor my talon was kiri on my arrow kiri. Son on butterfly voor me dom water agus an dom vamo. So I'm falling compass now dom heen. So is dan de koek schacht dan van boord show or she can sort of ma. Is how she shown for the fechant my voyage. So guardian's going to be looking over my voyage. I go ní, so sin rud fin maritime rudder fad, you know, in Ishkas and báid shows soil like.
We use carbon paper to make a stencil. So basically I do have a stencil onto paper itself and I'll transfer it straight onto the skin, and then I've freehanded a few little bits and pieces, and again I want to rework a little bit more detail like it already has in the tattoo, but I'm kind of going to blend it a little bit more better together kind of with it.
Nar fáint ceann one bhil go ní ceann eile bhil cos brand tú mar níon ceann eile go déanta chun as déanta chun ceann eile is, you know, dachar go rá le chun sí rá le má fáint ceann one chun ceann eile bhil. Háim sé as osí Clarna go dtíon tattoo convention was son ar an céad go dtíon tríú lá is hom dul ar antimrámach. Hom sé óg fós so blianta headgums scéalta nua chun ráite so sin rudí eile chun an chun chur ann. Further adventures mar ar.
Unfortunately, there is still a little bit of a stigma against them, only especially when people go, it's the head to face.
Bhí sé gcónaí ann so de chuis nach fe sé an níos.